wanted to hop in and say I hope you guys are enjoying the video. There are some really exciting live cops to come in this episode, so stay tuned to the very end. Make sure that you guys comment down below what your favorite live cop of the episode was, and if you're not subscribed to the channel already, continue subscribing. As you can see over here, the watch time from our audience right now, 79% of you guys aren't subscribed. I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a ton, and I would bring you guys this content weekly, and it would only motivate me to make more content, and it would really help my channel out and help me grow as a YouTuber. So I would really appreciate it if you guys would hit that subscribe button, and if you haven't already, like the video and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much. Let's get back to the video. Yo, we already checked out on Cage, checked out on Whatbot, checked out 2 on Whatbot. Checked out on Cage, checked out on Mech, checked out on Whatbot, checked out on Mech, checked out on Prism, checked out on Prism, checked out another on Cage, Sneakers, checked out on Valor, checked out on Prism, checked out again on Prism, checked out on Prism, checked out on Whatbot, checked out on Whatbot, checked out on Cage, checked out on Mech. Y'all, stop playing with Cage. Back. Check that on Whatbot. Another one. They're rolling in at this point. So, there it is. Thank you. See 2 checkouts on Cage. Checked out on Mech. Checked out 5 on Cage. Checked out on Valor. Checked out on Whatbot. Let's go. Checked out on Mech. Let's go, Mech. Checked out on Whatbot. Hey, Whatbot. Oh, checked out on Valor. Oh. What's up, guys? I hope everyone is doing well. We are actually going to start off this video with an unboxing, then we'll move to the live cops. We have some really good footage to capture, or that we did capture this past week. I really think that you guys are going to enjoy the live cops, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you watch until the very end of the video. We got something special for you guys in there. But we do have some pretty cool packages to unbox today. I do just want to remind you guys, if you haven't already, please like and comment down below on the video. It really helps push the video out for YouTube's algorithm. Also, go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already. We are on the way to 2,000 subscribers. We will do another really big giveaway once we get there. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, and if you aren't following me on Twitter, go ahead and do that. We post exclusive content over on the Twitter as well. Now, enough of that. Let's go ahead and unbox these packages. We have 2 shoes to unbox today. First one is a Nike Dunk High. We'll just take the whole thing off, I guess. Okay. We have the Nike Dunk High All-Star. Really cool shoe in my opinion. It's like this, Christy said it looked like mint chocolate chip. It does look like mint chocolate chip. Really cool looking shoe though, really intricate designs, as you guys can see on the tab right here, NBA All-Star 2020. And then this shoe right here, if you know this box, you know that this is a very solid shoe for profit already, even though we're gonna hold on to it for a while. This is a size 9. This is a foam runner. Look at this foam runner. This is crazy. I've never had a foam runner in person until now, but look at this shoe. This is just all the details, all the design. Of course, you know, the signature bottoms of the Yeezys. This is a shoe though, unlike any others. And to be honest, guys, comment section may roast me for this one, but I'm on board now. I am on board with the foam runners. Adidas, Yeezy, great job with the foam runners, man. This is such a cool shoe. So I don't know if I will be wearing one for personal anytime soon. I feel like this may be a hard look for me to pull off. But overall, I'm a fan of the shoe, and I'm on board. I really like these foam runners. And as you guys can see on the screen, I'll throw up a picture. Prices are looking decent right now, but we're gonna hold these for a while because I think these will go up. $80 investment, I would say that's pretty good. So really cool shoe right here. This first one actually comes to us from a buddy of mine and a fellow YouTuber, actually from my man Burgers Kicks. Check that out, man. That's cool. Really cool right there. Really like his logo, really like the embroidered logo on the front there. So I got myself a Burgers Kicks hoodie, so shout out to Ricky. Really appreciate you sending this over, man. And if you guys aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. I'll link it down there in the description as well. Really funny guy, and just overall good for the community. So appreciate you, and I will be rocking my Burgers Kicks hoodie for sure. Second package is another hoodie. I didn't think I would have the chance to get my hands on it, but my guys over at Rush, we got our official letter here too. But check out this hoodie right here. Nice Rush logo on it. Very, very excited about this as well. This one's really cool. Really love the logo on the front. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Rush and everything they do. So Rush will be on the comeback pretty soon. And let's check out, whoa, this is pretty sick, man. Look at that. That is awesome right there. That's the front. And we got the back right here with the sticker. Thanks for the support. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Here, and we got a couple Rush stickers as well. So Rush, you guys know, I'll always be a supporter. If you want to throw a key in the DMs, I am always ready for that. And I'm ready for the comeback tour. So throw a key in the DMs. I'll wear my Rush hoodie, and let's get this thing, man. 2021, we are coming after it with Rush AIO, because I know they'll be back up soon. So this is what we got today. Let's get into some of the live COP footage, guys. Hope you enjoy.
That's going to do it for this episode of Resell Life, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that button down below and subscribe. Hit that like button as well for me, and comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys did enjoy this episode. This past week was kind of a down week. We didn't have a whole lot going on, but next episode we do have some pretty nice stuff. We will have some good unboxing of the Air Max 1 clots, the Torpedo Quokka brew cans. Find out next episode if we got a torpedo key or not. And then also at the end of that week, we will also have the Jordan 1 highs coming out, and those Yeezy 700s coming out as well on Saturday. So stay tuned for next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Be sure to share the channel. Close to 1,100 subscribers. Let's get us there. We have a goal of 1,200 by the end of April, so let's try to hit that goal. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one. As always, guys, stay safe. See you then.